Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set Best Year. I'm going in with a Christmas sentiment because you guys know it's a-comin'. Christmas is a-comin'. All right, I have some rectangle dies here, a larger one and a little one, and I'm just cutting it out of one piece of cardstock that is basic white thick, I believe. And oh, maybe not, it's just regular weight, sorry. And I've cut the sentiment piece out of the middle of the page. How about that? So now I'm using platform 1, a 3D folder called Merry Melody, a rectangle of basic white, and the plate number 4. And I'm running that through my cut and emboss machine to emboss a music notes on that page. Now I am stamping the sentiment, warm wishes and happy Christmas, and I'm setting that off to dry. Here I have my non-porous surface. You know that I've laminated the mini grid mat, and I'm coming in with a couple of different colors. So I have pink, and I'm trying to match that corally color, and I have pale papaya. I even go in with a little bit of crumb cake, and I think one of the I think I got it by using a little bit of calypso coral. So I did have to play around choosing to try to get that right color, and I wanted it sort of dingy. I wanted I wanted it to have highs and lows. So this designer series paper is called Painted Christmas. I love these little circles. I don't know what they are. Bulbils, maybe? Who knows? They could be cranberries. This is what I like about fine art. It could be anything your heart desires. It could be radishes. Yeah. So it's kind of nondescript, but I am going for a Christmas theme today. And wasn't that so smart of me? I cut the sentiment piece out of that piece of card. No one's going to know that you cut a piece from your mat to make your sentiment. No one's going to know. I covered that with dimensionals, and now here the card is being assembled. So I have a basic white thick card base, then I have my Merry Melody embossed and sponged. Well, it's not sponged, it's brushed, ink brushed, blended piece. Then I have a white stitched mat, a real red stitched, or just a regular cut mat. Then I have the designer series paper, and now I have the label or the sentiment piece, and that is stitched as well. Lots of layers going on here. These are called, let me think, elegant faceted gems, and I am using the clear ones, and as soon as I find a placement that I like, I will use them. And then I come in with Wink of Stella. Surprise, surprise. Are you surprised? Somebody asked me on Facebook the other day, what did you use on your card to make it all sparkly? I'm like, really? Really? You had to ask? Let me give you a hint. It starts with W and ends with ink. Wink of Stella. So I probably did a very bad job of explaining the products, so I am just going to put them in a list called the supply list in the description box below, or on my blog in the supplies section. The links will take you directly to my online store. So if you wanted to purchase, say, your lifetime supply of Wink of Stella, I would be forever in your debt. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.